welcome to Angie's Table. So today we're going to be making 잡채 first, and we will be making bulgogi in our next video. And the reason why we decided to choose these two menus are because Chuseok is nearing. It's on October 1st, and Chuseok is Korean Thanksgiving. So on Korean Thanksgiving, you do the same things you would do on Thanksgiving in America. So families get together and they enjoy food together, enjoy their times together. So today's 잡채 will be vegan, and so everyone will be able to enjoy it. This noodle dish is very popular in Korea, and you'll see it on people's birthdays or on special occasions when you have guests coming over, and it's super savory and tasty. So let's go and see what ingredients we'll need. I pre-soaked sweet potato noodles into water to let it get soft, and we're gonna do this for about 30 to 40 minutes. We can blanch the spinach while I'm preparing the other veggies. Okay, I washed out the spinach, and now I am cutting the ends where the roots are a little dirty. Now the water is boiling, and we will drop these in. So it's been about 2 minutes now. I'm gonna strain this and transfer it over to an ice bath. So now I'm in the process of squeezing all the water out, and I'm doing it in like multiple parts. So this is why we don't want to overcook the spinach and only cook it for 2 minutes, because you're doing this whole process of squeezing it, and so you don't want it to be too mushy. So we're gonna go ahead and prepare the vegetables, but I wanted to explain to you guys why I specifically wrote in the instructions to go in the order of mushrooms, onions, and then carrots, and that's because we wanna go with the ones that have less of a color to it and less of a smell to it first. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna saute all the veggies. So I have my burner on medium to high heat, just the smallest amount of oil. Let's go ahead and do the mushrooms. And remember to add a pinch of salt to each of them. Oh, it smells so good. Look at that color. So I have a pot of water boiling, and we're gonna go ahead and boil our noodles. So prepare a strainer, because they're gonna go into there next. The water is boiling now. And we will add our noodles in. And we're gonna cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Yeah. Oh, it's heavy. So now we will strain the noodles and make sure all the moisture is out of the noodles before we mix it. While the noodles are getting strained, we're going to make the sauce. Soy sauce. We have sesame oil, sugar, 올리고당, but what is this called in English?
Like
Korean syrup? Corn syrup? Oligosaccharide corn syrup?
It's basically like corn syrup, yeah.
Garlic, and toasted sesame seeds. Oh, it smells so good. So another thing with the noodles is that you want to make sure that they're easy to eat. So like I got the ones that were pre-cut, but if you guys don't get the ones that are pre-cut, make sure you cut it after you cook it. And I have one of these plastic gloves that all Koreans have in their kitchens. So I'm just going to use my hands to mix it all. So we'll go ahead and add the sauce in. And all the sugar's at the bottom, so make sure you scrape it all out. Oh, 맛있겠다. Does it smell good?
Yeah.
So we added the salt. And a little bit of pepper. We're gonna add in all our veggies. And we just have to mix once more. I don't know how into K-pop you guys are. Like, when I was younger, my lifelong dream was to become a K-pop star. But I've been really into BTS these days. If you guys have heard of Dynamite, I've been obsessed with it. I've been singing it everywhere I go and getting it stuck in everyone's heads. But actually, I was reading into them. That sounds kind of creepy. I was reading into them. They're all like 100 years younger than me. But one of the members, V, his favorite food is 잡채. Fun fact. Now we're gonna get plating. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and tried this recipe out. And I hope you guys make this recipe to enjoy with your friends and family. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in our next video with some bulgogi. Bye!